Today we are going to discuss about lists in Python, specifically how to create them and how to access their elements. So what is a list? A list is an ordered mutable collection of items. Lists can store multiple values in a single variable. They are defined using square brackets, and lists can contain items of different data types, mainly numbers, strings, booleans, even other lists also. So why you are using list? It is useful when you need to store and work with multiple values together, and it is easy to modify. You can add, remove, or change items anytime. So we will create an empty list. So we will create the variable called empty list equals to just open and close square bracket, and we will print the empty list, and also we will print the type of the list. So since the list is empty, we got the output as an empty list, and of course we got the type as list. Now we can have a list with integers. Num equals, open the bracket, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can print num. You got the same list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even though we have integers in the list, the type of num will be list only. It won't be integer. You can write that also. Print type of num. So that will be list only. So we will go for list with mixed data type. That means you can have integers, you can have strings, or you can have boolean also, or you can have float also. So I will go with mixed equals to 1, comma, Python, comma, 3.14, comma, true. So this includes everything, an integer, string, a float, and a boolean. And you can print mixed, and you will get the same result. There won't be any problem because everything will be considered a list. The same thing, you can have nested list, one list inside another list. So we will name it as nest equals to 1, and we will create one list here, 1 comma 2, and another list here, 1 comma 2 comma 3, and we can print it, print nest. We got the same list. There is no error or anything like that. So you can access the list through some indexing. So indexing starts from 0 for the first item. So we can create an integer list, I equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will access I, print I of 0. What happens is we will get the first value. So the indexing starts with 0, 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I0 is 1 and I of 5 is 6, you can see that also. Print I of 5. I of 5 is 6. So this is while going from left to right. If you want to come from right to left, you can obviously give one minus sign. So index -1 is the last element, -2 is the second last, and so on. So we will do the same thing here. I equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will give print I of -1, and we will give print I of -4. You can see -1 means the first element that from the right, that is 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one is like fourth one from the right side. So that means it is 3, 6 and 3. We can access through positive indexing as well as negative indexing. So slicing is accessing multiple elements at once. So in the above example, we have seen only one element getting out. Now we are going to take out more than one elements. We will do the same here. Print I of 0 and then a colon. That means the entire set, this is the 0. From 0 till the entire set you are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if you are going to do print I of 1, what will happen? That 0 got emitted. So the first value is not there. From the second value onwards, it is showing. The same thing if you are doing print of I4, means index of 4th and 5th have been shown, 5 and 6. So we can do in the other way also. That means print I of colon and 5 we can give. We got all the 5 numbers, only 5 numbers we got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you're giving print I of colon 2, means you're going to get the first 2 numbers only. So it is just the opposite of this. Now we have one more that is called step slicing. It is skipping elements using step value. Now in the above example, whatever number we give as index, we are getting that series of numbers. Now suppose you want 1 and you don't want 2, you want 3, you don't want 4, you want 5, you want only the odd numbers here. Then you can use step slicing. That is, we will do the same thing here. Print of I 0 colon 5. 0 colon 5 means you're going to get the entire list. Now one more colon you will give, and you can give 2. So it will skip one number. See 1, 3, 5. If you are giving 3, print I of 0 comma 5 comma 3, you're going to get 2 missing places. 1, 2 and 3 is going to get omitted, and 4 is going to be shown. Obviously 5 and 6 will get omitted. If you are having 7, 7 will be shown up. We'll do it like this. You got 1, 4, 7. But you have to make sure that, okay, you have to write till the end of the indexing. If you don't, so this is about creating a list and indexing as well as slicing. Hope it was a valuable one. Have a nice day.